Are bathroom cladding panels hygienic? The hygienic properties of cladding are built into the very product itself. With its smooth surface and tight-fitting locking system, water, mould and bacteria have very little chance to find a home. Being made of a non-organic PVC compound, the panel does not provide any of the nutrients that mould and bacteria need to live and thrive. And without any grout, to create voids and edges where dirt can lurk, it only takes a mild detergent and hot water to clean the surfaces thoroughly. And it is grout within a tiled surface that ensures that at regular intervals you will be faced with the time and expense of having to go through a renewal process. Raking out the old grout and reapplying is pretty much the same process as repointing brickwork, and just as much fun.